Realize from Colby Calais at number 11. We've got a countdown debut from Rihanna, a VH1 premiere from Maroon 5, and your top 10 videos of the week when the VH1 Top 20 Video Countdown returns.
Am I really pregnant?
Am I using the right test? All pregnancy tests are not the same. First Response is sensitive enough to give you our most accurate results 5 days before your missed period. First Response. Let us tell you first.
Melissa says the new vanilla orchid sent from Gain mellows her out so much she forgets she's doing laundry. Hey Melissa, you're doing laundry. New Gain vanilla orchid mellow detergent. Say hello to mellow.
You showing everyone how you roll across? Better hurry up. Battery's gonna run out soon. Did you get tired, Ami?
Introducing Fruit Inspirations meals. Only those smart ones.
Forget about your feet. Show them how you do it. Look. You gotta let go.
It's May. Those minutes are from September.
They still work.
You can only use this month's minutes.
They're rollover minutes. They're exactly the same. You know, there's some people who don't have any left
There you go.
You keep that in mind, mister.
Only AT&T Family Trusted Rollover saves your family's unused minutes. It's the best value around. And now, add a line for just $9.99. Only from AT&T. Get ours.
You're okay.
Phone for only $29.99 and get one free.
I decided to read that. But no matter what I did, that thing didn't feel right.
Go ahead. You got room for one more, I think.
And then I figured it out. It wasn't the room. I used the cash I got to redecorate.
Oh, I just realized I took the toys out of the past, so you have nothing to look for. Are you frustrated? Oh, baby. I'm sorry. Mama didn't realize she took away your toys that were on the past.
Your morning's probably not going to run smoothly. Introducing Cascade Gel.
Jeez, you found another one? Oh my gosh, you're going to be able to go further. I don't know. Are you stuck? No? Is that a real man? Are you over it? Okay, baby girl, I'll pick you up. I'll pick you up. Say, everybody, this is my dad. Okay. Are you still going? Are you still going? Give us one more. I don't know if this is a real cry or not. One more? No? No? Okay. Oh, that's what it is. You have to spit up. That's... Okay. Okay, say bye-bye. Bye. Say bye. Bye. No. Okay.